Hey guys, so I'm starting with this cute little mug that I got from TJ Maxx, I believe, but I just thought it looked really cute and it was only 10 bucks. So just taking off the packaging and then of course prepping with vinyl sand. First step, I was just spray painting it all this gray granite color from Rust-Oleum. Then I was using my alcohol inks. I'm not very experienced with alcohol ink, so I'm not sure if there's an easier way to do this or what, but I just kind of put drips of the different colors on and used the blending solution and kind of dabbed it. Since it is a round surface, I feel like it drips a lot down the sides and I don't always love that look. So I try to just do a small amount at a time, and I was going for just a really dark, kind of stormy looking sky. Took me a lot longer than I was expecting, but I just kind of worked in small little sections and I was wanting it a lot darker than it was ending up, so I just kept layering and layering, and finally after a long time I finally got to a place where I liked how it looked. Alcohol inks I just got from Amazon. They were pretty cheap. I will link them down below, but I'm not sure if there's a difference in quality of alcohol inks or if they're all just kind of the same, but these were just the ones that I got to experiment with. It had like this kind of reddish tint to it. You can kind of see it looks like kind of red and purpley, and I was really confused and I thought I wouldn't like it, but it ended up looking fine after it dried and getting epoxy on it. So if this happens to you, I'm not sure if that's with all alcohol inks, but you can see there it's like black and blue. There's none of that like orange and red tint to it, so I don't know why it does that. But after that dried, the next day I went in with one layer of the Artisan Epoxy. So I somehow lost the footage of doing this decal, but I basically just found a little mountain scene and cut it out in the decal, placed it on the bottom, and then I'm just spray painting the rest black. I think 2 more layers of the Artisan Epoxy to finish off this cup. Then once that was dry, it was done, but I kind of wanted to see if I could matte the bottom. And I wish I would have just cut out the mountains again and done like a sharp area where there was matte to shiny. But I thought it might look really cool just doing it kind of fading up. So I just took my final sand, a little bit of water, and just scrubbed for about 5 minutes, I believe, just with my gloved hand. I find that's easiest to do for a black matte. If you use anything else, I find you can see the scratches a lot easier. So just using your gloved hand, not even applying much pressure at all, and just kind of rub in circular motions and wash it off and see if you need to do more. So you can see it's a little bit shiny in the bottom still. So I just went in again for another probably 3 minutes. I would have preferred to tape off the mountains and have it be a hard line where you can see the difference of matte and shiny, but I think it still turned out really nice, and I just love the shape of it with the alcohol ink. That's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.